I'm going to show you a technique on this video that can be done a number of different ways. It all just kind of depends on you and what you want to get out of it. Remember is that it's a really good way to create a soft look, a soft effect. And the truth of the matter is it can be done on any length of hair. What I'm doing is taking sections of fine hair that tends to not want to hold curl, and then I'm taking those sections on dried hair, and I'm spraying a spray gel at the base wherever I want height, and on the ends because I want the control and definition of curl. So I spray it and then I just kind of comb it through. Not too much in the center portion of the sections, but just the base, the ends. Then I take those sections afterwards and I wrap them around my fingers and pin them with a duckbill clip. Now the moment of truth. If you want this to be soft, and you try this technique this way, then comb it through with a handle pick, and then use your hands, and don't put any hairspray in it, just for body. That's it.